So right here we're doing some fiber optic stars in the ceiling with the meteor. You can see the meteor shooting. We just have it on so it can do different patterns, different speeds, different directions. And right here we're just cutting the fibers. After you install them, lay them out, you glue them, you have to cut them. There's some twinkling. You see the meteor is a little speeded up. Just show you a different effect. And this is, I believe it's a 2020 Dodge Ram megacab. So after we did the stars, the customer asked us to install a system for him that he bought somebody else that had the same vehicle, which was 613 Jlaudio TW5s. You're about to show these right here. So he brought us the box. The box was a tan color. He didn't like it, so he wanted it stripped and to rewrap it. So he picked out this material. It's like an alligator. So we wrapped it, and then we added some polyfill inside of it. This is a box installed in the vehicle and the amp hooked up. It's a Crescendo 4K, I believe. Crescendo 4K. And that's the box enclosed with the stars. Meters on. Here's a little video of it. And I'll just stop talking right here and just let y'all watch the rest of the video. But it's 613 TW5s on a Crescendo 4K.